Hi, I'm Maya from Priority Software. In this video, you will learn how to edit and create a Word template in Priority. Working with Word templates provides you with a wider variety of personalization options than those available through the system's default HTML option. The Design Word Template tool enables you to design documents produced by Priority within Microsoft Word and to create documents that contain information from Priority, in addition to design elements such as your company's logo and signature colors. Before you begin, you need to ensure that you have the necessary permissions for working with Word templates in the system. To do so, enter the Users form through menu path System Management, System Maintenance, Users. Retrieve your username and navigate to the User Permissions sublevel form. In the Permissions tab, flag the Document Design column. You also need to make sure that you're working with a Word version that allows for template design. Template design options are only available from version 2013 of Microsoft Office. To check what version of Word you're using, in Word, click File and then Account. Now, open the Design Word Template tool. To do so, open a document, for example, Order Confirmation, through menu path Sales, Orders, Sales Order Reports, Order Confirmations. The D beside Order Confirmation indicates that it's a document. In the window that opens, click on Design and then select Design Word Template. The Template Document tab in the Design Report Order Confirmation window will open. You can use this tab to design Word templates. You can also use this tool to design system documents and containers. You can learn more about them in our user interface guide. Most of the documents in Priority have predefined Word templates. If this is your first time working with Word templates, we recommend that you copy a predefined template and edit it according to your company's needs, instead of creating a new template and building it from scratch. To copy a predefined template, click on the Copy Template icon. A new template appears called Copy of Predefined Template. To edit the name of the template, double-click the name to make the field editable and rename the template. To edit the template, click the pencil icon. The file will download to the computer and you can save it and personalize it in Word. Save the template in a folder that's easy to find. Make sure to save it as a Word template. Now, let's open the file. This document is a basic template for an order confirmation document. The body of the document contains tags such as customer number and order date. These tags retrieve data from Priority and insert it into the document when the document is printed. You can edit the document just like any other Word document. For instance, in the header, you can replace the picture icon with your company logo. If you want additional data from Priority to appear in this document, for example, for the part number to appear in the order confirmation, add a column to the table and write part number as the column's title. In the row below, add a tag that will retrieve the information that appears in the part number column in Priority. To add tags to the document, open the Developer tab at the top of the screen. If the tab does not appear, open File, Options. Select Customize Ribbon, and then, under Customize the Ribbon, select Developer. In the Developer tab, select XML Mapping Pane. The XML Mapping Pane will open on the right side of the screen. The pane contains all of the tags that can be added to the document. In the drop-down menu in the pane, select a document name. For this example, select Order Confirmation. A list will open that contains all of the tags that can be added to the document. Set the cursor where you want the data to appear. In this case, the empty column that you created. Then, in the pane, expand Order Items with Extended Part Description by clicking the triangle beside it, and scroll until you find the part number tag. Right-click the part number tag and select Insert Content Control, and then Rich Text. The part number tag will appear in the template, and when you print the order confirmation through Priority, the part number of the item listed in the sales orders form will appear in the printed document. To include additional tags in the document, simply repeat this process. When you're happy with the template's design, save the template once again and ensure that it's saved as a Word template. Now, return to Priority. In the template that you created, click on the Import icon. Select the file that you saved and click Open. To save the template in Priority, click Save. If you want to define a file based on this template as read-only to prevent the editing of those files, you can do so with the paper icon. A pencil alongside the paper indicates that files produced by the template can be edited. If you click the icon, the pencil will be replaced by a lock. Now, files produced by the template can't be edited as it is defined as read-only. To delete a template, simply click the X icon beside it. Now, let's learn how to create a new Word template. In the text box containing Template Name, click the box and enter a name for your new template. Then, click on the Create Template button. The system will download the file to the computer. You can open the file in Word and personalize the template just like you did with the predefined template. To print a document using a Word template, enter the Sales Orders form through menu path Sales, Orders. Retrieve the order you wish to print, and then click on the Order Confirmation Action button. In the window that opens, select the desired action. In this case, select Display, so that you will be able to see the final document. To ensure that the system uses the template that you selected, click on Template Document. In the drop-down menu, select the template that you edited, and then click OK. Now, a document will be created based on the template that you selected. This concludes our explanation of working with Word templates. Thank you for watching.